Hi everyone, my name is Dr. Nicole Aho. I'm a physical therapist here at Smart Health and Wellness. I graduated from USC, which is the top physical therapy program in the country. As a physical therapist here, I utilize an altruistic approach in order to provide excellent patient care focused on evidence-based practice and research. I best help my patients by utilizing movement analysis in order to identify impairments, develop individualized exercise programs, and educate my patients on how to best optimize their body mechanics, posture, and overall movement analysis. I utilize a hands-on manual therapy approach through soft tissue and joint mobilizations and manipulations, myofascial release techniques, and using assistive devices such as cupping and Graston tools to relieve tightness and tension and facilitate optimal tissue recovery and restoration of pain-free movements. To me, there is no greater feeling than allowing my patients to get back to the life they love and continue to stay in the game. A fun fact about me is that I love to be outdoors. I love playing almost every sport, and I really love to cook and travel the world. We here at Smart Health and Wellness truly utilize a comprehensive approach focused on patient health, performance, and recovery. Helping my patients on their road to recovery is a really gratifying experience for me because it allows them to get back to doing the things they love with the people they love.